Good day, tube slingers. This is just a bit of a quick NoobsLab video to show you guys how to install the Steam gaming platform on Ubuntu, and for that matter many other distributions such as Linux Mint. So as you can see, I've actually loaded it up there. I've already installed it, and it's really simple to do. All you do need to do is go to a terminal and then type in the following. So sudo apt install steam. Now throw in your password, do all the prompts, and if I can do that again. Now mine will already show that it's been installed, of course, as you can see it there just a moment ago, but yeah, like I say, follow the prompts, install it, and away you go. Then you've got a flurry of options for gaming in the Ubuntu landscape, in the Ubuntu world, or the Linux world more in general as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I say, I've just called this a NoobsLab video because it is quite a simple, easy thing to do. Once you're in there, you can go ahead and do whatever you want, play some games. But yeah, just thought I'd yell out or shout out this video to you guys, and yeah, let you see what you'd like to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Probably one massive disclaimer here is that it is hitting end of life for this product on Ubuntu at some point, from what I hear, but hey, it's still there and it's good to go. So give it a red hot go, and thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. Thanks again.